China, once known as the world's factory floor for its vast workforce and low-cost manufacturing prowess, is undergoing a profound transformation. Gone are the days of sprawling factories teeming with millions of workers. In their place rise futuristic facilities where robots work tirelessly alongside a smaller, highly skilled workforce. This shift is driven by a potent combination of economic pressures and rapid technological advancements, particularly in artificial intelligence and robotics. This isn't just about replacing human hands with robotic ones. It's about infusing every stage of manufacturing with intelligence. AI-powered systems are now capable of learning, adapting, and optimizing production processes in real time, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. This transformation has profound implications not just for China, but for the global manufacturing landscape. The world is watching as China pioneers a new era of manufacturing, one where intelligent machines play an increasingly pivotal role. The move towards automation in China isn't simply a fascination with cutting-edge technology. It's a necessity born out of economic realities. Rising labor costs, a shrinking workforce due to an aging population, and fierce competition from other manufacturing hubs have forced Chinese companies to rethink their strategies. Automation offers a way to address these challenges head-on. Take Foxconn, the Taiwanese electronics giant that manufactures products for Apple, Samsung, and other global brands. Once synonymous with massive factories employing hundreds of thousands of workers, Foxconn has embarked on an ambitious automation drive. The company's goal is to replace a significant portion of its human workforce with robots. This strategy aims to reduce labor costs, improve efficiency, and maintain its competitive edge in the global market. Foxconn's experience is a microcosm of the larger trends sweeping across China's manufacturing sector, demonstrating the economic forces driving the adoption of AI and robotics. The impact of AI in Chinese factories extends far beyond simply replacing human workers. AI is being deployed to enhance every aspect of the manufacturing process, from quality control to predictive maintenance. Companies like Haier, a leading Chinese appliance manufacturer, are leveraging AI-powered vision systems to inspect products for even the slightest imperfections. These systems can detect flaws invisible to the human eye, ensuring that only perfect products leave the factory. This not only reduces waste and improves product quality, but also enhances customer satisfaction. Meanwhile, companies like Lens Technology, a major supplier of touchscreen glass for smartphones, are using AI to predict equipment failures before they occur. By analyzing data from sensors embedded in machinery, AI algorithms can identify patterns that indicate potential problems. This allows for timely maintenance, minimizing downtime and costly disruptions to production. This predictive maintenance capability is a game changer for manufacturers, enabling them to move from reactive to proactive maintenance strategies and further optimize their operations. Section 4. The Logistics Revolution, AI and Autonomous Vehicles Transforming Supply Chains. The impact of AI in Chinese manufacturing extends beyond the factory floor, revolutionizing how products are moved and delivered. E-commerce giants like JD.com are increasingly relying on AI-powered logistics platforms to optimize delivery routes, manage inventory, and track shipments in real time. These platforms analyze vast amounts of data, from traffic patterns to weather forecasts, to ensure that goods reach their destinations as quickly and efficiently as possible. This logistical prowess is further amplified by the rise of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Too Simple are developing self-driving trucks designed to transport goods across long distances with minimal human intervention. These trucks are already being tested on public roads in China, promising to further accelerate delivery times and reduce transportation costs. The integration of AI and automation in logistics is reshaping the entire supply chain, making it faster, more efficient, and more resilient. Section 5. The Human Factor, Job Displacement, New Opportunities, and the Need for Reskilling. The rise of automation in China has sparked widespread concerns about job displacement, and for good reason. As robots and AI systems become more capable, they are displacing workers in tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. This shift is particularly pronounced in industries like manufacturing, where repetitive manual labor is being automated at a rapid pace. However, the story of automation's impact on jobs is not simply one of displacement. While some jobs are being lost, new ones are emerging. The operation and maintenance of sophisticated robots and AI systems require a skilled workforce. This has created a growing demand for engineers, technicians, and data scientists. "I never imagined I would be working with robots," says Li Wei, a former factory worker who now maintains robotic arms at a factory in Guangdong province. "But after receiving training, I realized that these machines are not here to replace us, but to work alongside us." Lee's experience highlights the need for reskilling and upskilling programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. Section 6. The challenges ahead: cybersecurity, energy consumption, and the ethics of automation. While the benefits of automation are undeniable, this technological revolution is not without its challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is cybersecurity. As factories become increasingly reliant on interconnected systems, they become more vulnerable to cyber attacks. A successful attack on a critical system could disrupt production, compromise sensitive data, and cause significant financial damage. Another challenge is the increased energy consumption associated with automation. Powering vast networks of robots and data centers requires significant amounts of electricity, which could strain energy grids and exacerbate environmental concerns. Finally, there are ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI and automation. As machines become more sophisticated, questions arise about their decision-making capabilities and the potential for bias. Ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly is crucial to prevent unintended consequences. Despite these challenges, China's commitment to automation remains unwavering. The country is investing heavily in research and development, nurturing a vibrant ecosystem of AI startups and tech giants. This focus on innovation, coupled with a willingness to embrace new technologies, positions China at the forefront of the global manufacturing revolution. The future of manufacturing is being shaped in China's futuristic factories, offering both opportunities and challenges for the world to navigate.